Hey guys, I'm Dr. Huey, and I'm a psychology professor at New York Institute of Technology. And today I'm going to talk to you about frequency tables. So frequency tables are a really easy way to organize information and to organize your data. Let me share my screen here, and I have a frequency table example that I think should help to make it a little bit clearer. So what we're essentially trying to do is figure out easy ways to be able to view the data and see how frequently, in this case, a specific number occurs. So in this example, the psychologist asked, how stressed have you been in the last 2 weeks on a scale from 1, not stressed at all, to 10, as stressed as possible? So the first thing is we have these participants and we have all these different answers. So participant 1, there were 10 people that were surveyed in this case. Participant 1 was level 5 stress, right in the middle. Participant 2, level 7, a bit more stressed. Participant 3, level 8, et cetera, et cetera. So what we want to know is we want to know how frequently each one of these stress levels occurred. And that would give us an idea of like where the numbers lie and what's happening most commonly. So here we have the table that we had with the participants and their stress level. Oops, excuse me. And then here is the frequency table on the right. So this is the table that we had originally, participant and stress level. And here we have their stress rating and how frequently it occurred. So the first thing that you do is you number all of the possible options. So in this case, you could have answered anywhere from 1 to 10. So you make a table that starts with 1 and goes through all the different numbers. And then you just count up how much each time that number occurred. So how many times did people answer in our data set 1? Well, I look over here, stress level, nobody answered 1, so I put 0 because that occurred 0 times. How many times did somebody answer 2? I look over here at all the different answers of stress level and nobody answered 2, so I also put a 0. How frequent did the stress level reading of 3 occur? I look at my answers and participant 6 answered a 3. So one person in the entire data set, well in this case the data set's only 10, answered 3, so I put 1. 4, nobody answered, but then when I get to 5, it looks like participant 1 and participant 9 both answered 5. So I'm going to put 2 for the frequency there. And then for participant 6, it looks like 2 people answered again. We have participant 4 and participant 10. For stress rating 7, 3 people answered 7, so I'm going to put 3. For participant 8, there was one person answered that, participant 3, so I'm going to put 1. Same with stress rating 9. One participant answered 9, and so I'm going to put 1. And then nobody answered 10. So fortunately, nobody is the most possible stressed you could be. But anyway, so this helps to clarify the data and it helps to see where the most frequent ratings occur. So if we look at our frequency table here on the right, we see right off the bat that right in the center, like 5, 6, 7 are the most frequent numbers. And we can also identify the mode, the most common number in the data set pretty easily. So we see that very easily the data set's mode is 7. So this is a really great way to help organize your data, and it's pretty easy to make, and hopefully this example helped to clarify what a frequency table is and how you can make one. Thanks guys. Have a good day.